What brought you to Canada?
I'm from a little country called Eritrea. We made the journey from Eritrea to Sudan. Took a month on foot.
A month on foot, and you're
And
2
I
weeks
was
old.
2 weeks old. Finally, we made it to Saudi,
Okay.
where I lived a few years there. It's a long story. You have time?
Oh, I have time. This is amazing.
I worked at a teaching hospital for 15 years as a floor RN and
In LA.
in LA, and we moved back, and then
And back to where?
back to Canada, in Surrey.
In Surrey,
We're in Surrey,
okay.
live in a big house, all of us. This is from my childhood. My grandmother used to make it. It's called Kicha Fit Fit.
Kicha Fit Fit.
This literally means bread and then breaking it. The fit-fitting is the breaking.
So we're
of it.
literally
So we're
breaking bread for this
breaking bread. I
episode.
decided to move to Chilliwack, and I had no idea what Chilliwack was. But I said, you know what? I want to move to Chilliwack. Like, I'm
Okay.
ready to go. So I moved in here, and we were doing pretty good. It's a nice city. I loved it right away. In little pieces, okay? The little the better.
Is this small enough?
Yeah, this is good. So I see an ad for a job with Chilliwack Community Services for community connector, social prescriber. I have no idea what that means. Social prescribing journey started. The most beautiful thing that I've ever been involved in. Focused my entire life, professionally and personally.